What is up, guys? Unfortunately, I don't believe I will be able to make the asteroids explode today. But that's not as big as a deal as you'd think because I didn't actually work on it. It's not necessarily an issue yet, since I don't know how hard it'll be. But I don't estimate it'll be too terribly difficult. Um, so what I have done, however, is I have implemented a singly linked list. I wrote it myself, and I assume it's how all singly linked lists work anyway. It has the ability to remove nodes, to keep track of the node count, basically just like anything you'd need in a generic list. And speaking of generic list, it is actually generic. It is not specific to asteroids, meaning that it is easily ported outside of this asteroid game. Which is how all code should be, unless it is completely specific. But I am of the opinion that you need to keep things as I almost want to say ambiguous as possible, so that you can use it across projects as many times as you want. Good examples of this are screen.c, which it does have a few specific details, but those are easily removed and then replaced with whatever new things you need. But for example, this screen defined window, screen init, and for the most part screen render, those can, and the WinProc, all of them really can just be instantly ported. In fact, this is the almost the same exact file that I use in Bad Game as well. And the same goes for Math Custom, same goes for Drawing, Timer, and Vector. So that's why you want to keep things as ambiguous as possible so that you can use them across projects easily. Anyway, time to actually show you what I've done. Mostly just for testing. If you destroy if you quote-unquote destroy an asteroid, meaning you just freeze it, a new one is created. Unfortunately, it looks like collisions are currently broken. And it looks like my shoot beam isn't working all that well either. But the important part is that for some reason the first 5 that are created work just fine, but ones after that do not actually kill you if you run into them. But they do spawn new ones if you destroy them. And they do work the exact same as the other nodes. It's just for whatever reason they don't actually hurt. And I'm thinking that as you destroy more asteroids, I'm probably going to create kind of like an exponential growth style thing, so that the more you destroy, the more are created, so it becomes a higher difficulty. And in probably the next version, the old asteroids will be removed instead of frozen, so that you're not going to be navigating through a minefield. So that's all I've got to show you today. I don't think you'll have enjoyed watching this, but if you have, that's awesome. And have a fantastic day.